I wake up the other night for the sound of the toilet flushing itself. And I knew it was time for me to run down to the local home improvement store and pick up a new flapper valve. I'm not going to bore you with the instructions of that as they're on the back of the box. But what I did want to talk to you about is what makes a flapper valve fail. 9 times out of 10, these flapper valves are a rubberized membrane. And they develop these ripples, especially if you use a bleach solution or some type of cleaning tablet in the back of your toilet. It just eats at that rubber. A lot like your finger or your hand. If you leave it in water too long, you get that prune or that raisin effect, and it allows the water to escape. And eventually the float's going to lower and flush the toilet. So now that I got my new flapper valve, I got to install so I can sleep good tonight.